Hello everyone, on this video we're going to explain what is Google Analytics, why it's so useful, and why it's essential that everyone knows how to use it. Also, at the end of this video I will show you my 3 favorite reports for e-commerce sites. Let's go! So, let's answer the main question here. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free analytics service that tracks and reports web traffic and is the most widely used web analytics tools on the planet. Okay, so it's basically an analytics tool that tracks what are your users doing on your website. By this I mean which products they buy, what categories they visit, what device are they using, etc. So you may be thinking, why is so useful? Because suppose that you sell on average 10 t-shirts per day, but yesterday you sold just 2 t-shirts. Your boss comes angry and asks you that dreadful question, what happened? That is an impossible question to answer without tracking your customers. Did the visits of your website decrease 80%? Or maybe the visits are just fine, but an error occurs. Or maybe the add to cart button changes to an out of stock kind of button. Google Analytics help us to answer some of these questions and more. Finally, why is it essential that everyone knows how to use it? This is my personal opinion, but for me, Google Analytics has become by far more important than Excel for web businesses. It opens your eyes in what's really happening. Also, it helps you to improve and track progress. Progress is not just sales, but also the increase of visits, organic visits, conversion rates, and others. Now, as a bonus, let me show you a very quick overview of my top 3 reports for e-commerce. Number 1. Visits, sales, and conversion rates by marketing channels. This is the favorite report for the marketing team because it tells them which marketing channels are more efficient. Number 2. Top products. This is the favorite report of the sales team because it tells them which products have the best conversion rate and which products are the most popular in visits to their product detail pages. Number 3. Visits, sales, and conversions by category. The favorite report for an e-commerce owner because it tells him which categories are selling the most, but also which ones are the most popular and have the highest conversion rates. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any question or constructive opinion, leave it on the comments. See you on the next video of EverLearn Tutorials. Bye.